To other news now, the JUTC in Manchester, the state-run bus company, launched a new route in the southern parish on Monday. And with 100 new buses, the JUTC is promising additional routes in other parishes as part of its commitment to improved service in Jamaica. Krista Campbell has our story.
New buses, new routes. The Jamaican Urban Transit Company, JUTC, says with an additional 100 vehicles added to its fleet, it's also adding new routes across the island. On Monday, JUTC buses rolled into and out of the Manchester capital of Mandeville on the new 512 route, with more routes expected soon.
We have New Girl coming up, we have Puerto Antonio, we have Montego Bay, and we have Ontario.
The 512 route will run for a 3-month pilot period, departing Mandeville at 5:45 a.m., 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. At $50 less than what the mini and coaster buses charge, Central Manchester Member of Parliament Rhoda Moy Crawford says the JUTC fare is competitive.
For adults, it's $500 up front. If no card, $600 with the cash. The disabled and children, it's $250 if they have the cards, but if they don't have the card, it's the full $600.
The JUTC and other stakeholders will review the bus route at the end of its pilot phase, but MP Crawford insists it will not negatively impact the operations of public passenger vehicles on the route.
I mean, it's not cutting into the regular taxi and bus operators because they too are leaving full and leaving at their time. And remember, the bus is not running consistently. So even so, in between those hours, the bus operators will be able to also carry out their load.
So these new buses, they're equipped with an undercarriage. So if you have any large suitcase or large packages, they can go under our buses. We have charging ports on our new buses.
And squeeze up. Phone and charge. Of course.
I can feel it is a comfortable ride already. And the AC is up.
When the bus was about to leave, there were persons, even though we told them it was full, they were begging to go on the bus and were willing to stand into Kingston.
Now, pointing to the bad rap JUTC often gets on social media, its corporate communications manager cautioned residents.
Every time a bus goes out, it is clean. It is the commuters that are, eating on the buses, leaving rubbish, and we're urging them to please help us take care of our buses so that they don't have to come off route. If you help us, we help you by making sure our buses come on time. We don't have to take any off routes. And we've also had reports of persons stealing our buses. We also want to appeal to the public to please stop because it's not just a danger to the JUTC bus, it's a danger to the passengers.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.